Have a picnic or barbecue with loved ones. Having a picnic or barbecue with people you care about is a great way to spend quality time outside. There's something special about sharing a meal with family and friends, whether you're at a park, beach, or in your own backyard. Choose foods that are easy to make and share, like sandwiches, fruits, salads, and grilled meat, to make the most of your picnic or barbecue. Put everything you need, like plates and spoons, in a cooler bag. Don't forget to bring blankets to sit on, sunscreen, and bug spray. Plan some fun things to do besides the food and drinks to keep everyone busy. You can play outside with board games, frisbees, or balls. Take advantage of the beautiful surroundings by going for a walk in the woods or putting on some music and having a dance party on the spot. If you have good people with you and good food, your picnic or barbecue will be one to remember. Take a virtual tour of a museum or art gallery. Take a virtual tour of a museum or art gallery this weekend if you want to learn something new and have fun at the same time. Many museums around the world have put their collections online, so you can visit their galleries without leaving your house. You can look at the exhibits at your own pace, zoom in on individual works of art to see details up close, and learn about different cultures and time periods. The Louvre in Paris, the British Museum in London, and the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C., are all well-known museums that offer virtual tours. You can also go to places like the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam or the State Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg that aren't as well known. Taking a virtual tour of a museum is a great way to relax and de-stress while learning more about art and culture and getting a better feel for it. So put on some comfortable clothes, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and get ready for an adventure. Watch the sunrise or sunset and take some beautiful photos. Getting away from the busyness of everyday life can be good for you. One way to do this is to watch the sunrise or sunset and take some beautiful pictures while you do it. Whether you like to get up early or stay up late, watching the sun rise or set can be a peaceful and relaxing experience. Seeing a sunrise or sunset can also get your creative juices flowing. Nature's beauty can inspire art, writing, and other projects. When you take a picture of the sunrise or sunset, you not only capture the moment, but you can also show it to other people. Adding this simple activity to your weekend routine is a simple way to be more mindful and appreciate the natural world around us. So grab your camera and head outside at dawn or dusk to see the sky light up with beautiful shades of orange, pink, and purple. Do some volunteer work or donate to a charity. Volunteering and giving to charity are great ways to help your community and do something good for yourself at the same time. Think about joining a local group that shares your values and interests, like an animal shelter, a food bank, or an organization that works to protect the environment. There are many opportunities to volunteer on the weekends, which makes it easy to fit into your schedule. If you don't have the time or ability to volunteer in person, you could give a charity money or other resources. Do some research on the organization before giving money to make sure it is real and will be used well. You can also give away things you no longer need, like clothes, books, or toys. Not only will volunteering and giving help those in need, but it can also help your mental health by giving you a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Use what you've been given over the weekend to help others and start a chain reaction of kindness in your community. Watch a comedy show or stand-up comedy special. One of the best ways to relax and de-stress on the weekend is to watch a comedy show or stand-up comedy special. Whether you're catching up on your favorite sitcom or trying out a new comedian, laughing can help you relax and forget about your worries. Plus, studies have shown that laughing is good for your health in many ways, like lowering stress hormones and making you feel better. Think about your sense of humor and what you're interested in when deciding what to watch. Jerry Seinfeld, 23 Hours to Kill on Netflix is good if you like humor that is based on observations. Last Week Tonight, which is hosted by John Oliver, is a political satire show that makes you think and laugh at the same time. And if you want some good old-fashioned slapstick comedy, The Three Stooges will never let you down. In conclusion, watching a comedy show or stand-up comedy special on the weekend can be a great way to unwind and feel better. There's something funny for everyone on streaming services like Netflix and Hulu because there are so many options. So put your feet up, grab some popcorn or snacks, and enjoy a well-earned laugh. Treat yourself to a spa day or do some at-home pampering. A day at the spa is the best way to relax and feel better. Since it's almost the weekend, why not give yourself a well-deserved spa day? There are lots of ways to take care of yourself on the weekend, whether it's a full-on spa day or a routine you do at home. If you want to treat yourself somewhere other than your home, you can make an appointment at a nearby spa and choose from services like massages, facials, and body scrubs. You can also choose to get services like manicures and pedicures to round out your time of relaxation. If you are on a tight budget, look for discounts and special deals on group packages that include more than one treatment. If you'd rather relax at home after a long week, you can make your own spa-like atmosphere with candles, soothing music, and expensive bath products. Soak in the tub with bath salts or bubbles while using essential oils like peppermint or lavender for aromatherapy. For glowing skin, you can also do some beauty treatments on your own, like making face masks with honey and avocado. No matter what you do this weekend, whether you go out or stay in, make sure to take some time for yourself. Go for a bike ride or try a new outdoor activity. Cycling is a great way to get outside and stay in shape. It's an easy activity that people of all ages and fitness levels can enjoy. There's something for everyone, whether you want an easy ride along a scenic trail or a tougher ride with hills and turns. Plus, cycling is good for the environment and doesn't need any fuel besides your own power. If you want to try something different, why not try yoga outside? Yoga is well known for its many benefits, such as making you more flexible and strong and lowering your stress and anxiety. When you do yoga outside, you can connect with nature while focusing on your breath and movements. This helps you relax even more. Find a quiet spot in a park or on the beach to unroll your mat, breathe in some fresh air, and let go of your worries. If you want to try something new, rock climbing might be the thing for you. As you climb up the face of a rock wall in this difficult sport, you have to use both your physical strength and your mind. It's also a great way to get out of your comfort zone and build confidence. In many outdoor recreation areas, people can use rock climbing walls or take classes taught by experienced instructors who can teach them how to climb rocks safely. Have a lazy day and do nothing but relax. All we need sometimes is a break from our busy lives. A day of doing nothing can be the best way to get away from the stress of everyday life. It's a day when you don't have to worry about anything and can just hang out in your comfy clothes and do nothing. There are many ways to spend a lazy day, like catching up on your favorite TV show, reading a good book, or sleeping for a long time. You should do whatever makes you feel calm and refreshed. You could even use this time to do some self-care, like taking a bubble bath or putting on a face mask. The best thing about a lazy day is that there's no right way to spend it. Just do whatever makes you feel good. So why not make this weekend the one in which you don't plan anything? You can use your time however you want and enjoy the peace that comes from doing nothing. Reflect on your goals and set intentions for the upcoming week. As the weekend gets closer, it's important to take some time to think about your goals and make plans for the next week. This habit can help you stay on track and keep going as you work to reach your goals. Start by making a list of your top goals for the week ahead, whether it's to finish a project at work or take care of yourself. Once you know what your goals are, you should write them down and make a plan for how you will reach them. This could mean breaking down big tasks into smaller, more manageable steps or setting aside time each week to work on each goal. By having clear goals and making a plan, you'll be better prepared to succeed in both your personal and professional life. Last but not least, don't forget to let yourself rest and recharge over the weekend. Taking a break from work can help reduce stress and make you more productive when you go back to work on Monday. Relaxing should also be a big part of your weekend blessings routine. This could mean spending time with loved ones or just reading a good book by yourself. So, folks, there you have it. There are 25 good things about the weekend that will make this time happy and easy for you. We hope you liked this video and got some ideas for what to do this weekend. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Take care until next time, and have a great weekend.